So welcome back to this next video. We will now try to implement an all-in-one project where we have a backend running in Render, and this backend will manage all our different needs like requests from a client and also monetization via Stripe. So let's get started, and I run you through all the necessary steps. So we'll open our AI. Maybe what will be helpful is just to open this and ask how we can proceed. Can you help project that is the requests and answer with the page. Let's go HTML, comma, let's call it first HTML. It choose to managed by Stripe group. And we give the readme comma first Okay, so we now gave the AI our readme or MD file, where it's kind of explained how the whole system is working. And let's see what it has answered. So I have a big project with a lot of files. So we have a recommended folder structure for Node.js, Express, and Stripe projects. This will look like the following. So we have a public folder where the landing page is, gated, SaaS app served only if subscribed. Then we have style files and also a JavaScript file to manage functionality. Then we have a entry point for the server. Serve first HTML, checkout JS, add JS, a webhook, services for Stripe, user. Okay, so I would recommend copying this and create a new file called structure.md. I hope this can also be processed in Markdown. We can see. No, this is not. Yeah, but this is enough. Okay. So we have a few folders. Then I would recommend to you opening the command line interface or Windows PowerShell in my case. And we will now try to implement the different folders. Okay, we can create the files and folders. You gave me. Okay, so with the mkdir, we will make a directory. So first we open PowerShell, and then we can let's do it that way. So first we need to make directory class project. Then we need to change into the directory. Oh wait, there was a mistake. Delete class from ja.
Ja, geht eigentlich voll. Also. Bis dann, viel Spaß.
Dann. So first you need to find the path of the folder we have been in right now with the structure and the URL function file. Then copy this path. and then change directory, use the path, and then you can start making those folders. Otherwise, we'll be in a completely different directory. Project. That's done. And we just use the next command. Then we create a public folder. And we could actually just run a batch script and just execute all the commands at once. But I'll just do it that way. Okay, so I have run all the commands. Now let's just see if it was successful. So we have a public folder with a HTML client.js, first HTML style CSS. We have a source with a server.js, a data bank, middleware, then we have routes, with our landing.js, checkout.js, fabric.js. Okay, this looks good. Services, web.js and subscription.js, logger.js. Okay, we have a .mv file, package.json, and package.json, root and then the YAML as defined in the structure file. Okay. So now the tricky part will come where we will need to build all the files and kind of yeah, organize it the way that it will all work together without any errors. Okay, so we have implemented all the stuff. I have now made the folder structure according to your guys, comma. Can you now help me connect them step by step and fill them with code? Okay, so we will now first make our dependencies. So all the program files we need so let's do npm init. This will create a package JSON file. Oh, it was already created, but we will now fill it with stuff. Oh wait, we have a invalid package JSON unexpected end of JSON input while passing empty string. Failed to pass JSON data. There is already okay, yeah, so that's already what I have suspected. Get content. Okay, then we will just remove the empty file. No problem. Then we run init. Okay. And afterwards, yeah, this has happened. And then we will install all the stuff. Okay, this looks good. Let's see. This is now this is the content package JSON. Is valid, wasn't caused by this file. No, no, no. There was a empty one before command deleted it and now okay, since the next step is simply npm install, create a server, and we now will run npm install. Okay, this is work. And now in the source.js file, now copy this. Okay. Then 11.js leads to First HTML. And then first HTML, then client.js, client.js. Okay, and there was something about the package JSON. Make sure package JSON contains this. Let's see. Type module, main, server.js. Okay, this will probably be the subscription here. Script. Oh, look, this is this already here? Okay, look, we already have a script file. And we already have common JS here. What the fuck, we have no errors. Can you connect? JSON. It's missing open quote. Okay, and then next is okay, this. Okay, then let's just add it in the JSON. Dependencies. And then we need to and okay, and he wants to do npm start. Start. Okay, yeah, this is probably because we're in the wrong folder. So we need to probably do this. Okay, the syntax error, the requested module roots at JS does not provide any export named default. Add async instantiate node internal modules as a module job. Add async module job. Add async import. Okay. So, what is he recommending? To go into the app.js file. So back again. Okay. Or maybe we need to add some more to the JS file. Okay. And it, ja, ist gut. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't give you the best. Let's try. Start. Okay. Let's read the error message and import checkout router from roots checkout JS syntax error. The requested module does not provide an export name default. Okay, so what does this mean? What the error says? Does not provide an export name default. Your source roots JS is empty. It does not contain. Okay. I guess we will just run this until it will work. The checkout JS file. Start. Put it. Checkout. Okay. So it just keeps on complaining. This file is empty, and we will probably have this error all over again till we filled all the other files with some input. So webhook.js import webhook group have from roots webhook.js is requested, does not provide an export named default. Okay, and we will fill this into our webhook.js. And we will run again npm start. Oh, look, it's running on port 3000. So let's just go to our browser and go like local and localhost 3000. Oh, okay. So I guess we have a landing page now. And is there happening anything? Press the button. Okay. JS and HTML That's a huge milestone. The service is officially running and the routing works. And your static landing page is being served correctly. This means your folder structure is valid. Your imports and exports are now correct. Express is serving static files. All routers load without errors. Your environment variables are being read. And yeah, huge milestone, guys. So yeah, we will now just try to implement the next steps in the following video.